Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best IKEA closet system is probably one of the most effective ways to organize your wardrobe and maximize your space. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of IKEA closet systems, exploring their design, functionality, and how they can transform your storage space. Whether you're dealing with a small reach-in closet or a large walk-in, we'll show you how to create a custom storage solution that fits your needs and budget. Number 5. ClosetMaid SuiteSymphony Wood Closet Organizer. This wood closet organizer set comes with a tower, 3 expandable rods, and 5 interior shelves. It's designed to help you maximize your closet space and keep everything neatly organized. This system makes it easy to store all your clothes and accessories. The organizer is designed to fit closets from 5 to 10 feet wide. The hang rods can expand from 30 to 48 inches, offering flexibility for different closet sizes. You can install it on one side or trim it to fit smaller spaces. Part of the SuiteSymphony collection, this organizer can be customized further. You can add drawers, doors, shoe shelves, and more to create a truly custom closet. Additional units are sold separately to meet your specific needs. This home organization system is perfect for storing shirts, pants, jackets, sweaters, shoes, and other items. It helps you keep your closet tidy and your belongings easily accessible. It's a great way to declutter and organize your space. The package includes all the necessary hardware for installation and assembly. It's made from manufactured wood and is TSCA Title VI compliant. This ensures that it is safe and ready to use. What we like? This closet organizer offers adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the space to fit your needs. It's perfect for closets ranging from 5 to 10 feet wide, making it a versatile choice for various room sizes. If you have a larger closet and need flexibility in organizing your clothes and accessories, this is a great option. What people say. I put this in myself in the span of an hour or so and, 3 years later, she's looking great. The shelves are sturdy and haven't budged from the wall, and they don't show much wear for as much as they're used. Really simple to assemble and clear instructions. Number 4. ClosetMaid SuiteSymphony Wood Closet Organizer Kit. This wood closet organizer set includes a tower, 3 expandable rods, and 5 interior shelves. It's designed to help you maximize your closet space. It's a complete solution for your storage needs. The system is designed to fit closets from 4 to 9 feet wide. The hang rods can be adjusted from 30 to 48 inches. You can customize it to fit your specific space. This organizer is part of the SuiteSymphony collection. You can add drawers, extra rods, or top shelves to create a custom closet. It offers flexibility to meet your needs. It's a great home organization system for storing clothes, shoes, and other items. It helps you keep your closet tidy and your belongings organized. It's perfect for shirts, pants, jackets, and more. The package includes all the necessary hardware for installation and assembly. The material is manufactured wood and TSCA Title VI compliant. It's easy to set up and ready to use. What we like? This organizer is designed to fit smaller closets, from 4 to 9 feet wide, making it ideal for bedrooms or apartments. It includes adjustable shelves for flexible storage. If you are looking for a space-saving solution for a smaller closet, this system will maximize your storage potential. What people say. IKEA closet systems are highly customizable, allowing you to design a closet that perfectly fits your space and storage needs. The PX system offers a variety of interior organizers, such as drawers, shelves, and hanging rods, to maximize storage efficiency. The installation process is straightforward, with clear instructions and readily available online guides. Number 3. 16-Cube Closet Organizer. This closet organizer provides generous storage. It's perfect for clothes, shoes, bags, books, and toys. It offers plenty of room to keep your belongings organized. The structure is incredibly stable, thanks to the thickened panels and high-quality connectors. The included cable ties further enhance its durability. You can trust it to hold your items securely. Assembly is quick and easy with the modular design and included hammer. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe it down with a wet towel. The elevated legs keep it off the ground, making cleaning even easier. The individual cubes offer endless possibilities for customization. You can arrange it in various shapes to fit your space. It's versatile enough for any room in your home or office. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction. Every item undergoes close inspection. We offer 24/7 online customer service to assist you with any questions. What we like. This closet organizer features a modular design, allowing you to customize the configuration to fit your space. The simple assembly makes it time efficient. If you like to have the flexibility to create your own storage solution and need something easy to assemble, this is a great choice. What people say. Very convenient collapsible shelf, divided into 2 cabinets. It turned out quite convenient and roomy and looks aesthetically pleasing. I like the quality, the construction is quite solid. Easy to assemble, universal. Purchased to help organize my kids' closets, and I bought some inserts which made it the perfect addition to help keep their rooms tidy. Easy to make, the color is nice, material is waterproof. Number 2. Ulif M1 Closet Organizer System with Expandable Rods. Introducing the Ulif M1 Closet Organizer System. This system is designed to help you make the most of your closet space. It offers a versatile and efficient storage solution for all your clothing needs. This organizer features 3 expandable hanger rods. They can be adjusted to fit spaces from 3.3 to 8.7 feet wide. This allows it to accommodate different lengths of clothing. The shelves are adjustable, providing flexibility during assembly. You can customize the shelf height to meet your specific storage needs. It offers ample space for organization. Made with durable metal steel, this garment rack is built to last. The leveling feet and anti-tip device ensure stability, preventing it from falling over. The package includes a detailed installation guide. Simply follow the steps to assemble your garment rack. A rubber hammer is recommended to secure the shelves. You can customize the direction of the hanger rods to fit your space. Check the image for installation suggestions. It's designed to fit your unique closet layout. What we like. This system is built with heavy-duty metal and offers expandable rods to accommodate different clothing lengths. The adjustable shelves provide flexibility in organizing your items. If you are looking for a sturdy and customizable closet organizer with ample hanging space, consider this one. What people say. Perfect for our small walk-in closet. The bars have all held up really well, no noticeable scratches, no rusting, super minimal bending on the longer bar. The setup was really adjustable and easy to do. Number 1. Modular Closet System Tower with Drawers, 25.5 wide. This shelf tower is the perfect combination of drawers and shelves. It's designed to help you organize your closets with both ease and style. It is 25.5 inches wide and can hold up to 350 pounds. This modular system installs directly onto your closet wall. Planning your closet design is simple with it. It's also one of the strongest closet organizers and storage systems available. This shelving tower works with our other modules to create a custom closet. You can install it yourself, all you need is a screwdriver. Other modules are available on our Amazon storefront. It's the building blocks for the perfect custom closet. Compared to other closet solutions, it's easy to design and install. It's also built to last, and is perfect for both walk-in and reach-in closets. We proudly manufacture our closets in New Jersey, using US-made, furniture-quality, high-density boards. Our team is always here to help with any installation questions. We also stand behind our products with our forever warranty. What we like. This modular system includes built-in drawers for added storage and is designed for easy installation. The modular design makes it simple to customize your closet. If you like a blend of drawer and shelf storage and want a system that's easy to install, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Really solved our closet storage needs and the quality was better than we expected. This came with solid wood drawers and good rollers. The product is very well engineered for easy assembly and a sturdy structure. Packaging to prevent shipping damage was excellent. We bought a unit with 4 drawers which were also easy to assemble and fit perfectly. We are using the unit to increase the usability of a small walk-in closet and are very pleased with the results. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.